Today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I bought two Beretta Airsoft M92A1s. I believe they're made by Umarex. I got them from Evike, not a sponsor. And I got them from their Boneyard. And I'm going to be kind of unboxing them today here to see what a Boneyard buy actually looks like. Because it's kind of difficult to find information online, and I thought it might be interesting. So let's dive in here. So I got them a couple weeks ago, and let's see what they look like. And I look like an idiot with a knife. Alrighty. Can't cut anything today. There we go. Alrighty. Let's see here. We got some packaging. Receipt, which I'm not showing you guys, sorry. Alrighty. One Beretta. CO2 airsoft gun. And a second gun, let's see here. Let's go in order. Let's get rid of this. Alrighty, here, we'll start with this one. Let's see what's in here. Well, we have one gun. Pretty nice, weighty, hefty gun. Safety doesn't appear to be working. Looks like we're missing the part from this side. I read online that was a rather common problem. Whew, this is tricky to figure out. This looks like the parts of the safety. That looks like that might actually be a pretty easy fix here. Slide also feels like it's full of sand. Looks like we're going to need to clean that out and put some lubricant on it. Gotta love what people do to their guns. Let's see here. We do have the magazine. I've seen that that's kind of been an issue with some of these. Sometimes you don't get magazines with them, so I'm very glad I got this. We don't have CO2 in here, right? Looks good. I think that'll be functioning with a little bit of lubrication, and maybe gonna need a little fix on the safety there. As you can see, that's been broken off. But overall, that has exceeded my expectations. I actually didn't think they'd come this nice. I mean, obviously a lot of cosmetic damage and maybe holster wear on this one, but nothing that appears to affect the function. Sights look good. Alrighty, let's see what else is in the box. We have all the spring stuff for the safety, Allen wrench for the thing, CO2 cartridge, that's the thing I'm talking about. Alright, let's put this all back just so we can keep it all in one place. So first off, I have to say I'm very happy. I was expecting something that was actually missing much more pieces. I think that actually is complete, but I may do a video of putting these together and trying to fix them. Alrighty, let's see here. Another one looks actually in better shape as far as cosmetic is concerned. We have the same exact safety issue. Only this one appears that the spring is not broken. It just won't snap. And here is our other piece of the safety. Let's see here. So y'all can tell what breaks on these. And there it goes. Now it locks. So it looks like we just have to tighten up that little tiny, not sure if you guys can see that. I don't have enough light. There's a little tiny Allen screw there that I think just needs tightening to get this guy back and running again. Let's see here. This one doesn't have the Allen key with it. It looks like mag release, a little sticky, nothing a little lube can't fix. Got another magazine here, running great. CO2 there, no Allen wrench, but I have one with the other gun. Let's throw the safety fire there. Slide locks back, slide flies forward. Got a nice double action trigger there, man. And a nice single action trigger as well. Alright, this one actually looks like by far the nicer gun of the two. Looks like someone stuck some sort of weird zip tie on the bottom at some point. Let's see if we've got anything else in here other than our safety piece. Nope, nothing else. So, yeah, we did miss out on an Allen key on this one, but no big deal. No big deal at all. Alrighty. Also looks like we're having a few little cocking issues on here, but I suspect once we get the safety back working, those will kind of sort themselves out a little bit, I'm hoping. But I was kind of a little nervous about doing this. I was a little nervous that I was going to get real dud guns, but I'm actually really happy with what I've got. I'll have to fix them up, get them lubed up, throw some CO2 in them, and see what happens. So yeah, guys. Maybe I'll put a test video up. Thanks for watching.